Okay, here we have an old house. This is a very quick illustration of cold, humidity, etc. This thing here goes down into the cellar under the house, and you can see just how much is being pulled out of the cellar. This is the extractor. This is a proper cellar extraction system. Apologies for the bit of wood holding the vent, but what you can see here is moisture being drawn out of the cellar and then condensing on the cold paving. And I don't know if you can actually see it, but there is actually almost a fog coming off this. So it gives you an idea of the amount of moisture that you can actually draw out of a building. You don't always see it, but here is a very good, it just shows you it's a cold morning, so the stuff is actually sort of blowing out and you've got sort of fog and steam coming out. And this is a very dry house if you do a relative humidity inside this house. It's an old solid wall building and the humidity inside is under 50%. It's incredibly dry, but it is dry because this has a cellar extraction system. There's a humidity control fan on the end of this thing, and as soon as any moisture is detected, it will actually move air from the cellar into the outside air. So we are pulling air from inside the house, drawing it through the cellar and blowing it out here, and you can see that condensing on the paving. So it gives you a bit of an idea, you know, if this wasn't being pulled out, it would be circulating through the house, and therefore you get damp problems. As it is, it's being drawn out, so the moisture is now outside. So there you go, just a quick illustration on a rather cold, frosty day. You can see it is very, very cold out there, very frosty, but a beautiful day. There's the damp dog. So there you go. Make sure you extract damp air from inside the house, and then you won't have problems.